And nasty.
You're in last.
Not working?
And that's where, is there someone behind the shed?
No.
Alright, we
got
need
two marshals, it's cool.
We need more marshals.
Turn marshals. We need our turn marshals for the last race.
Forward.
Who's in front of me, Steve?
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be behind you real soon.
Terry Dog downtown, Fangs, AJC,
You got my ramps on the back of the thing?
It wasn't working.
Less than 5 at the sound of the phone.
Dude, come on.
Jeremy out front. Terry Dog getting five.
Come on, grab him. Really?
Derek B. On dart. And it for Jeremy.
Man, this thing's all blowing out the track. Yeah. Blowing out. It's so funny.
Got the marshals getting help with none of the food that Be careful coming around me. I know. I'm just warning you.
Jeremy's going double. Down straightaway, that's your leader. Looks like battle for second place. Just goes back. Back. Whoa. I'm sorry, Tommy. And Derek B. And Derek B. Now, only about 3 seconds between him and Jeremy. Used to be about 5. We have lots of time on Jeremy.
Sorry, David.
Jeremy gets caught behind that traffic.
It's okay, I'm just waiting for Alan to realize that
Please let your leader pass.
Hell no! It's called a racetrack! Not a pull over and let your leader go track. Try to hold my lap too, you know? Oh, I let Derek go. It's called team racing, baby.
Oh, is that how it works?
Going into the number 2 spot.
Come on, dude.
Do not engage, please. Left and right.
Okay. Good thing I didn't engage.
Oh, come on.
Oh, wow, dude. Oh.
That was gonna.
See, if I would have pulled over, I wouldn't have made up my half a lap.
Fuck, I can't. Alan! God damn.
Yeah, I know. He's standing in a bad spot, ain't he?
Up top.
Why are you putting me right there, dude?
Oh, come on.
Put David up top.
Put me up top. Up top! Fuck.
You're not engaging. You're not engaging that now after all that. Alan, dude, you were standing in a crap spot, man.
Jeremy really going at it. Jeremy getting hung up on that pipe.
Let's slow it down. Let's go. Jesus. Wow.
Derek B.
Son of a fucking bitch.
That is your move in order. We've got 1 minute remaining, 1 minute remaining.
Alright, let's try you out there.
Derek.
Oh!
And that's Frank Gates. You guys are
Oh, I screwed myself.
back in this race with Derek B out front. Pressure on the straight again. Really put up the race.
Who's in the lead? You are.
You held me back
Oh, yeah.
forever.
Yeah. Okay, also, I'm only a half lap down now, so
Face looks like that kid's still out front. Jimmy.
and my hip shoe is gonna win, so I'm happy.
Bang. Their kid really started looking over the field. Full lap.
No traction. What tires you got for this? Yes, they have to play.
Double D.
Yeah. I'm not done.
You are done.
Oh, sorry, Dave.
Fucking A. Get me in the corner, dude.
No, these people were over. Oh,